before we don't go here. Wow, picture together na.
So from this perspective, you guys can see how tension works. And one of the reasons the guys use the game because of our markets.
Algarve.
Those years, struggling things.